So this is brand spanking new, and I have been asked by Merchant Words to beta test a new product that they have put together within the Merchant Words software, and it's a really bloody awesome thing. So I want to kind of show you what it is, get your feedback on it too, and if you've got some suggestions, ways to make it even better, then I'll share those with George, and you know, between us we can kind of make Merchant Words into something that really works even better for us than it already does. So before I show you what it is, let me show you the opportunity and why I think it's super cool. So I've done a search here for cat claw clippers, and you can see right now that there are people running Amazon PPC on these search terms, and of course you've got some like this one right here with 2,970 reviews, 2,122 reviews, 416 reviews, and then you've got this one here with one review. Now, that particular one there is a massive opportunity for us as Amazon sellers if we were selling in this particular niche. Indeed, it doesn't matter what niche you sell in, this is awesome. Right now it's only the USA, but they will roll it out into other markets, okay? So why is that such a cool thing? It looks like somebody is doing a product launch on their new pet nail clippers. So let's just go on to that, and it's only got one rating. So if I scroll down, I'm assuming that anybody who's doing a product launch runs Amazon PPC as a minimum, but they also potentially do Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, things like that, okay? And they may even do things like use some of the launch websites that are out there to drive more sales too. So what that means is there's a shitload of traffic all being paid for to get people to come to this listing. That's what that means, okay? So this particular listing, this particular product details page is getting a lot of attention from potential customers. However, the product details page is kind of flawed because they've only got one rating. So what we can do, and what we do, he said what we do is we run what's called placement campaigns through Amazon PPC to enable us to put our adverts in this area just here, sponsored products related to your item. And it turns out that's actually a brilliant way of making a lot of sales with very low ACOS by doing that. The product placement campaigns that I run tend to have some of the lowest ACOS, advertising cost of sale, across all of my PPC campaigns, because somebody's actually on a listing, they're looking for something, it's not quite right for them, they scroll down, they see your listing here, they click onto it, and they go check that out, and hopefully they go buy your listing, okay? So that is the opportunity. So with that being said, the next question ought to be, how can I find hundreds of these particular products like this that are launching that I, with my listing, can easily beat by putting my listing onto their listing through a sponsored product placement? Does that make sense? So I'm looking to piggyback off of their hard work, piggyback off of the money that they're spending, and in doing so, get a lot of very cheap sales in terms of marketing cost for my product, okay? So that is the opportunity. But the only way to do that, or previously, was to do this, which is a monumental pain in the ass. So up here on the top, so you can see there's 1,000 results, but that's bullshit. There's heaps more people running ads in this particular space, running those particular products as well. If you sort it by newest arrivals, now we see all of the new products that are listing with 0 reviews, okay? 0 reviews, but they potentially have just started and that's why they haven't got any reviews, and they're potentially doing their product launch as they should be, okay? But going through each of these on its own and pulling out the ASIN number, like getting the ASIN number here, which is just there, ready so that I can run a placement campaign on that, takes forever. You can imagine how long it takes to go into each listing and pull out the ASIN for that. So that was always a massive problem. That was always something you outsourced to somebody for like $2 a pop to go and do for you, until, that is, Merchant Words came along. So this is their new thing that they're doing. It's called product targeting. And what it allows us to do is it allows us to go look at all of the products on Amazon.com who are competitors for our product and sort them based on different criteria. So I pulled this one up just here, and this is, let's just take it up. It is not that one, Asher. It is this one here. Okay, so it is trellis netting for climbing plants. And you can see I've got that right here. Okay, and so all I've done is I've put the ASIN into here, where it says ASIN, and it's created a little report for me, and this is what the report looks like. So I get lots and lots of interesting information so that I can sort by price versus my product, reviews versus my product, and star rating versus my product. Okay, so the number of reviewers and the overall star rating are treated separately because they both have different effects on somebody's likelihood to buy your product. But all I'm doing, and it's super, super easy to do, all I'm doing is everything in green is good. Everything in green is good, everything in red is bad, and everything in yellow is kind of blah. So all I'm doing is sorting, put that filter on here, so they're higher priced than my product. They've got less reviews than my product, and they've got a lower overall star rating than my product. Okay, so that's all you need to do is just click everything which is red, green, and then you get all of this. Gives you all this information. So now I can get all of these ASINs for all of these products that I can easily win in a battle between their product and my product. I can easily win. So what I'm going to do is just get all of these ASIN numbers so that I can actually utilize them in a placement campaign. And to do that, it's so easy. All I need to do is just export all of them just there. So I just export all of them, and it gives me all of the ASIN numbers, and I can then just go and set them up as a placement campaign. Now, the next level of that is to choose things that is actually, oops, I got the wrong one there, lower than yours. So choose all the red ones now. So go and get all the red ones and set those up as a negative campaign, so you will not show on their listings, okay? Because you're less likely to make the sale. You don't want to be on there, all right? So I do those. I don't do anything at all with the same ones, but I'm using that in two different ways. One for everything that I want to be on, and the other for everything I don't want to be on. It is super cool. It saves you a shitload of time, and you can make a lot of money from it as well. So we love that. We love that. Should the reviews below it? Yeah. I just selected the wrong one. So it's everything is green, okay? Simply enough, everything is green. Dead easy. So that is the thing. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.